Imagine stepping into a bathroom that feels like a private sanctuary. Most bathrooms suffer from harsh shadows or dull lighting that drains the energy from your morning. At House of Lights, we believe your daily routine deserves a more sophisticated glow. Transform your space with our curated collection of designer vanity lighting and elegant mirrors. From sleek LED bars that offer perfect illumination to stunning chandeliers that serve as a focal point, we specialize in layered lighting designs that create a depth you can actually feel. Our high-quality mirrors don't just reflect your image, they expand your room and amplify your style. With decades of expertise, we help you choose the perfect fixtures for a luxury retreat. Experience the difference that professional lighting makes in your home today. Visit our collection online at thehouseoflights.com. House of Lights, illuminate your life.